Welcome back to Zapit. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating a buy offer on our P2P exchange and completing a trade. First, open the Zapit app on your device, and then navigate to the P2P exchange section. To create a buy offer, click on the three dots icon in the upper right-hand corner and click on Create New Offer. Once you're there, select the Buy tab. Now, you must choose between a fixed price or a floating price. In this tutorial, we will be using a floating price. Set the floating price. Then, enter the amount of Bitcoin Cash you wish to buy and select your preferred payment method. Once you are satisfied with the details of your offer, click on Create Offer. Congratulations! Your buy offer has been created. Now, you will need to wait for a seller to accept your offer. Once your offer has been accepted, make the payment to the seller on the details provided by them. And once you have made the payment, click Confirm to let the seller know that you have completed the transaction. Now, you will need to wait for the seller to confirm the receipt of your payment. In case the seller doesn't confirm your payment, click Need Help with this order at the bottom of your screen. And our support will help to release your Bitcoin Cash after reviewing the proof. Once the seller confirms, you will receive the cryptocurrency in your Zapit wallet. Don't forget to rate the seller to let other users know about your experience. And that's it. You've successfully created a buy offer on Zapit's P2P exchange and completed a transaction. Remember to always practice safe trading practices and use only the preferred methods to make your payment. Happy trading! For more such information by Zapit, do subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on our social handles linked below in the description.